Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming essentials. Sign into an administrator account and plug in power so settings don't revert. Check the laptop's Wi-Fi switch, airplane mode, and the adapter LED. They can be the simplest culprits. Once done, plug an Ethernet cable if available so you keep internet while troubleshooting. Make sure you know the SSID and password for your network. These steps prevent needless changes and allow you to run software fixes and driver updates without losing connectivity mid-process. You'll now dive into configuration and driver fixes. Open Device Manager, locate the Wi-Fi adapter, then disable and re-enable it to clear transient faults. Update the driver if one is available, or roll back if a recent update caused the issue. Next, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter and use the command prompt to reset TCP/IP and flush DNS. Also verify IP settings. Make sure you're using DHCP unless you need a static address, and double-check proxy settings, because misconfigured network parameters block connections even with a working adapter. You finish by rebooting and testing wireless connections. Try connecting to the SSID and confirm internet access. If problems persist, uninstall the adapter from Device Manager and reinstall drivers from the vendor's site rather than relying on generic drivers. Once reinstalled, reboot again and test. Make sure to test with an Ethernet connection or a USB Wi-Fi dongle to isolate hardware faults. If still failing, check router settings and wireless channel interference, because environmental interference
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.